I wanna show you how to add color to black and white transition in Premiere Pro, let's go! I have already added the video clip to my timeline. The first thing that you need to do, go to your project panel, right click of the mouse, new item, and create the adjustment layer. Drag your adjustment layer to the part of the video clip where you want that the effect will happen. Go to Effects and write Lumetri Color. Add your Lumetri Color to the adjustment layer. Go to the Effects control, and under the Lumetri Color, extend the Creative. Press on the saturation, the first stopwatch icon will appear. Then move 15 frames ahead and change the saturation value to 0. And of course, if you want that your color will come back, just move your playhead ahead, click on the keyframe button, then again move 15 frames ahead and hit the reset button by the saturation. Everything is ready, let's see the result. Help to grow this channel. Put your like and subscribe.